Hi guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a GIF or a GIF with pixel art. So I'm just gonna be creating a simple one. Like you could just do a stick man. Maybe like a stick fight. Okay, now you check the bottom bar. Now click on it. Click, if it's something simple, then click add frame, and then you'll see a gray version of your previous frame. So if you want it to be a slow one, you can choose a bigger number, and if you want it to be faster, you click a smaller number. So then you make the next move. Here, so you should make the ground just like your previous one. If you need to, you can just copy and paste it. With the select tool, just drag it and Control C. Now with your pencil tool, you can make your next move. Then click Add Frame, then Control V. Wait, no. Select Tool, Control V. Then just put the ground over this. Make another move. Like this. Then that. Then click Add Frame. Select Tool, Control V. And repeat it. So then, if you click Preview, my thing wasn't really that good. You go to the first frame, then you can highlight Control X, highlight the ground, and then Control V. Control V. It doesn't really work. So you have to highlight it again. Alright, it didn't really work out that well. Then copy frame, highlight this, bring it up, and then copy frame, bring it up, copy frame, bring it more up, then copy frame, then bring it down, then copy frame, copy frame, then it finally reaches the ground. Now let's try it. Okay, over here it kind of looks like it's floating. So we could try deleting this, deleting this. So now let's preview. Yes, now it's a stick man floating. That's it for today.